Are you a dermatologist? Who sent you a message? Who asked you? Auntie Mixy Mixy. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tommy Cares and you know I care when it comes to anything body, anything skin. Trust me. So, are you new to this space? Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And are you a returning subscriber? Thanks for always being there. You guys are the real MVP. So today we are going to be talking about DIY. DIY. Are you a dermatologist? Who sent you a message? Who asked you? Auntie Mixy Mixy. Anyway, come closer. Let me give you the risk and negative effects. So DIY have various effects. It has various effects, and it can also be beneficial to the skin. We have some ingredients like honey. They are beneficial to the skin. They have their own benefits. But at the same time, you need to be careful because it can do more harm to your skin than good. So today I would name the negative effect of DIY and how you need to make your research, your crucial research before mixing ingredients together. So the first thing, we have allergic reactions. Yes, you are not a dermatologist, like I said earlier, so you don't know what can react to your skin. So you need to be very careful on what you mix and add to your skin. Allergic reaction can be so bad. It can be treated for years, can be treated for months. You get. So the other effects can be redness. Like I said earlier, you need to do a crucial and thorough research when it comes to DIY ingredients. You need to follow the recipes carefully. Sometimes these ingredients are not well formulated, they are not properly balanced, and this can damage your skin. So the last on my list is skin irritation. Most of these DIY products, they don't have preservatives in them, and this can cause bacteria to easily develop, causing irritations on your skin. You need to be very careful. We need to be very careful when it comes to formulating of ingredients ourselves, buying organic products. There are so many organics that are not NAFDAC approved, they are not dermatologically tested, so you need to be very, very careful when getting products like that. I would like to also add that be it a sensitive skin, be it a non-sensitive skin, you need to be extra careful when it comes to DIY products. So do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and do not forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.